Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue of your Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If your Bluetooth mouse is giving you trouble in Windows 11, there are a few steps you can take to resolve this. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Devices. In the right pane, verify that your mouse is connected, either through its 2.4G receiver or directly via Bluetooth. Once you have confirmed the connection, go to the System tab, scroll down and select Troubleshoot, then choose Other Troubleshooters. Locate the Bluetooth troubleshooter and click the Run button next to it. If the troubleshooter does not resolve the problem, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on your mouse device and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts to update all your mouse drivers. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.